Okay, we're on Shabbat, Perek Yud Tet, Mishnah Hey, 5th Mishnah in the 19th chapter of Shabbat. Continuing to talk about this, Perek is discussing the issue of milah, brit milah, of circumcision, especially on Shabbat. So the Mishnah says the following: Katan nimol l'shmona l'tish'a l'asara v'l'achadasar u'lishnei masar lo pachot v'lo yoter. Child can be, if the brit is on time, or theoretically on time, it can be one of the following possibilities: 8 days after the baby's born, 9, 10, 11, or 12. No less and no more. No less is easy, because the minimum is shmona, because we learned, ubayom shmini yimol b'sar or lato. I'll show you that in the pasuk. Here we are in Vayukra Yud Bet. When a woman has a child, ubayom shmini yimol b'sar or lato, on the 8th day. That's the 8th day. Okay, and now we're back to our Mishnah. That's katan nimol lishmona, 8 days old. How do you get 9, 10, 11, 12, and 12? Okay, that is interesting. That's what the Mishnah is going to talk about. The Mishnah says the following: HaKetzad, how is that possible? Kedarko lishmona, that's 8 days, no problem at all. That we know. Nolad bein hashmash. So let's look. I made you a couple of charts. So in order to understand this chart, you just have to see. Imagine like it's a calendar, but I did it in the Hebrew direction. So Yom Rishon is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So Shvi'i is actually the 7th day. It's not Shvi'i, it's Shabbat. Okay? So the baby is born on Shabbat. Then that's the first day. That's how you always count it. It's born at 10 o'clock in the morning on Shabbat. 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and the 8th day is Shabbat. So that's what we said. Okay? Kedarko lishmona. Nolad bein hashmashot. But what if the baby is born on the first day, but he's born after sunset? Let's say sunset is 6, Shabbat is over 6:45. The baby's born at 6:20. So now, ben hashmashot we learned is a safek. Is that baby born on Shabbat? Or, since it's after sunset, is it really Rishon? Is it Sunday? So in that case, since it's ben hashmashot is a safek, therefore the 8th day, you don't do milah on the 8th day, but you'll skip since maybe the 8th day is not the 8th day, because maybe if the baby's born on Sunday, that would mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? But it's really, we understand it's born on Shabbat. So if it's Nolad ben hashmashot, that's what the Mishnah says. Nolad ben hashmashot, nimol the tish'ah. If the baby was born in ben hashmashot of Shabbat, then the brit is on the 9th day. That's what we said. It's born on Shabbat, we know, but ben hashmashot after sunset before Shabbat is over. So therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the 9th day on Sunday. Okay? How do we get 10? Ben hashmashot shel erev Shabbat, nimol la'asara. What happens if it was ben hashmashot not of on Sunday, but ben hashmashot of erev Shabbat? So Shabbat started, we lit candles, and then and then Shkia happened. 20 minutes later, the woman goes into labor. It's still Yom Shishi technically, because it's not nighttime. It's before Tzedek Kochavim, but maybe it's Shabbat. So therefore, you can't do it on the 8th day, because maybe it was born on Shabbat. The second day, maybe that's the first day. But you can't do the milah on Shabbat, because maybe it was born on Yom Shishi. So therefore, you'd have to do the brit milah on the 10th day. Okay, so that's how we said ben hashmashot shel erev Shabbat. If the baby's born in ben hashmashot of Shabbat, then we said that's the first day. Then nimol asara. Then the brit is on the 10th day, because you cannot do it, as we said, on the following Friday, because maybe that's really the 7th day. You can't do it on Shabbat, because maybe not, and it's safek, and you wouldn't do the brit, so you do it on the 10th day. Yom tov la'achar Shabbat, nimol la'achar asar. The rule is, once the brit is nidcha, only on the 8th day. We learn out, Yom HaShmini Yimol B'sar Lato, only on the 8th day, if it's Yom HaShmini, is it Tocheh Shabbat. But once the brit is nidche, once the brit is pushed off, then you're going to continue to push it off. Okay? That's what the Bartenura says. Ein milah shelo b'zmana docher oto. Okay? Milah shelo b'zmana doesn't docher Shabbat. V'nimol la'achar asar. That's why. Okay? If Yom Tov la'achar Shabbat, nimol la'achar asar. Let's go back to my chart. Here, let's say the baby was born ben hashmashot, right? Ben hashmashot on this day. So now we said, okay, the brit is on the 10th. What if this day is Yom Tov? So you had a Shabbat Yom Tov in Israel. So then the brit would be here on the 11th day. Back to the Mishnah. Okay? Shnei yamim tovim shel Rosh Hashanah. Or in Chutz La'aretz, of course, but we're talking about in Eretz Yisrael. Let's say there's Rosh Hashanah right after Shabbat. So you'd have Shabbat, Sunday, Monday. So you can't have the brit on that day. Then you'd have it on the 12th day. That's the nimol l'shnei masar. And that's how you get 8, 9, 10, 11, or 12 days if the baby is healthy. What if baby's not healthy? Katan hacholeh, the child is choleh. Ein mo'alin oto ad shiavri. You don't do milah, you will not do brit milah until the baby is healed. The Bartenura says, V'yavru alav shiva yamim shleimim, me'ed le'ed. And you have to pass 7 full days, me'ed le'ed. I hope you do this, otherwise I'll be really annoyed. Okay? It has to be 7 full days, exactly 24 hours, full days from the time that you started b'yom shivri, from the time, a full week from the day the baby is healthy, v'achar kach ma'alin oto. And then you do milah. The Kahati just points out that's only true if the baby is sick with his whole body, if the baby has an illness. But if it's an aver, if the baby's sick with one of its limbs, then you don't have to wait 7 days. You just have to wait till it becomes healthy. We'll stop here. I hope I don't have to record this again. And I hope you heard everything. If you have any comments or questions, as always, contact me at rspolter@gmail.com. I will dedicate our learning to the memory of my father, Rav Simcha ben Yitzchak Kalman. Have a good day.